Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to install Threads app by Instagram. So simply head over to Play Store and you need to make sure that you search for the right app. So because there are many replicas of Threads app being released to gain popularity, but you're going to be searching for the right one, and to do so there is a special way. What you can do is search for Threads by Instagram, and when you type in here this keyword, you're going to be entering it and you will see that at the very top we have Threads and Instagram app. Click on that and now you have your application. So this is the one that you're going to be downloading. Make sure it is the one, and once you have it, simply install it and you are good to use. You can see if I open it, it is original by Instagram. So that's how we can use it. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.